What's up, BB?
What's up, BBs?
It's been a while. We missed you guys.
We missed you guys so much.
So today we have a surprise for y'all. We are going to be opening a KLOOT Box.
KLOOT Box.
Yes. So for those that don't know what a KLOOT Box is, we will post the information in the description box below. So a KLOOT Box is basically you can order items from your favorite K-pop groups such as BTS, EXO, Twice, different groups, and you get a bunch of items in here. So we're gonna open it up and see what we have.
So I ordered this and it came to my house in, I want to say, not too long. For coming from China, it took about 3-ish weeks. Unfortunately, it did come kind of beat up already. The back is kind of like dented in. But hopefully that didn't mess anything up inside. So let's see what happens, guys.
Let's see. So when you first open the box, you get a little note. Hello, KLOOT Insider. Welcome to the KLOOT family. My name is Justin and I am the founder of KLOOT Box. I wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting a new small K-pop business. I hope through KLOOT Box we can together help further spread the love of K-pop throughout the world. Thank you so much, Justin. We appreciate that. And we also have a coupon up here for next time we order, we will get 10% off our order. So thank you for that. So let's see what we have in here first.
Let's start with that bag.
Okay, so we got some items sticking together, so bear with us.
Yikes.
So, if you guys watch any type of like K-dramas or K-pop shows, usually when they're out like fishing, they will feed these to the seagulls. They're like shrimp chips. So we have an equivalent of these. I have tried them at Kroger. They're down the Asian aisle and they're pretty tasty. I like them. So that's cool. Next we have ramen. Look at that, babe. We got ramen. It says olive oil. That's the only thing that I can read on the casing. Okay. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it looks good actually.
It does look good. We have some beat up almond choco balls.
Okay.
Roasted almonds enhance the taste by Lotte.
Oh, cool, Lotte. What do we got in this
All right,
bag?
what's in here? Oh, we forgot to tell y'all which artists we got. So we got BTS.
Yeah, you can choose from, like she said, a bunch of different artists. They have them all on the inside of the lid here that we can, here, spin it around for them, please. Thank you. It has like Twice, aespa, GOT7, let me wing around here, ITZY, Super M, Twice, Girls' Generation, all kinds of cool groups that are super popular. I remember when we first saw these, there weren't a whole lot of groups to choose from.
Exactly.
But they really expanded that, so that's really cool. So hopefully they can expand even more.
Yes, and with more groups coming month after month, there's definitely going to be a ton of merch to buy. So we have a Permission to Dance t-shirt. This is actually really cute. And the material feels super soft and comfortable.
Oh wow, yeah, it does.
I'll be wearing that. I'll definitely be wearing that.
You can also choose when you're ordering this, whenever you choose your group, what member of the group you bias, and they do warn you that you may or may not get something that has that member on it. So just be aware of that. We
got a Love Yourself tote bag. It feels pretty sturdy, so nice. I'll be making use of that, yes.
Yeah, nice canvas material.
That's cool. We also have a cookie keychain. That's adorable.
Oh yeah, that is super cute.
That's so cute.
I see some of the other members' characters on the little strap.
I do. That's adorable. Koya. Hi, Koya. There is a, ooh, this is cute.
It's like a lanyard thing, like for your suitcase.
Another Coogie item. It says, I trust you on it. It's purple, my favorite.
Oh, okay. So for ours, we chose Jungkook, and this looks like something with his name on it.
Jungkook.
Oh, that's a picture.
BTS the best. I should put this as the thumbnail. So for all the I see Jungkook, I click people. So this is a Jungkook photo. If I can open it.
Nice little frame that's on it.
A very sturdy feeling frame.
Yeah.
Bear with me, y'all. I connected this out the packaging. Here we go.
There we go.
For all of you Jungkook lovers. So that is it. That concludes the KLOOT Box.
That was really cool, actually. There's a lot of nice stuff in there.
It is some nice stuff in there. We got some cool items. So I definitely would say go to KLOOT Box, check it out, choose the group and idol that you like, and enjoy.
It was just really cool, guys. This is a really nice experience. I would like to do that again in the future, most definitely, with like a different group.
Yes, for sure. So we will definitely be back with another KLOOT Box video. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Please become a BB. We love you guys so much. See y'all in the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.